Today I'm really delighted to share with you an unboxing of the Gingerbread Advent Calendar from Hubman and Chubgirl. Hubman and Chubgirl are a stationery business based in Toronto. They make all sorts of different products, planner stickers, sticker sheets, Hobonichi kits, washi, journals, lots of different stuff. But this launch is their biggest product launch of 2024 and it's designed to give you the ultimate unboxing experience. So you get 25 individually wrapped presents. So you can open them from 1 to 25, one a day, or if you can't wait, you can just open them all at once. And they come in such gorgeous packaging. The actual box is a gingerbread house and it can be kept and used every year if you wanted to replace the 25 items inside and use it going forward. And all the illustrations within it are hand drawn by Chubgirl. Hi, welcome back, and you're very welcome if you're new. I'm going to show you what this is and the freebies that come with the first 1,000 orders. And I'm going to open all 25 of the items within this box, and I'm going to put chapters in the video so you'll be able to watch this video in whatever way suits you. So let's get started. So freebie number 1 is this little plushie, and it's so soft and cute. And again, it comes with the first 1,000 orders. So make sure that you get your order in early if you want to get this, but it's just so adorable, little gingerbread plushie. And then the other freebie is a bag, and this is such good quality. It's a wipeable material. I don't know the exact name of it, but it's good to know that if you spilt something on it, it would be easy enough to just wipe it off. And it has lots of different gingerbread men and women across it. Aren't that so gorgeous? And then on the back, there is a zip part. And here, you get these long, like, rosy pink handles. On the top, it's silver hardware, and inside is baby pink. And you get a little pocket here, and then a deep bag. And as well as that, you have the option of a longer handle. So that's the 2 freebies. Now this is a set of stickers that are made to decorate the gingerbread house with, which I think is a brilliant idea. And I'm going to do this with my youngest niece, I think, who will just love every second of it. So it comes in this gorgeous little folder that says Happy Holidays from our family to yours, with all the little gingerbread men. And then it's containing the stickers inside. So you get 2 of each sheet by the looks of it. So this one with little trees and Christmas wreaths, and then this one with lights string all along the roof, and then this one with candy canes and little peppermint sweets. So that'll be lots of fun to do. However, if you didn't want to decorate your gingerbread box with these, you can put them in your planner. In fact, to be honest, I might use 1 sheet for decorating the box with my niece and then keep one to use in my planner. I'll see, but it's such a good idea. Now I'm going to get into opening, and we're going to start with the first drawer. So this first drawer has package 1 to package 7. So let's just do them in order. Yay! The level of excitement I'm feeling right now is rather ridiculous. Right. Oh, it's a little ornament. So let me open this up. So it has a pink ribbon up at the top, a gingerbread house with a little cow character in a Santa hat and a little bear character in a Santa hat. And then this additional part at the bottom that says Happy Holidays. Right, number 2, stickers. So we have gingerbread boys. I love the brown and green together. Gingerbread girls, gorgeous. And gingerbread houses. Number 3 is larger stickers. I love these larger size stickers because I use such a large planner, but I use these little smaller ones too for little space fillers and stuff. Gingerbread snackies and gingerbread buddies. Look at the Santa with the glasses on. Number 4. Ooh, what is that? Is it like a photo? Sorry, it took a second for my brain to register what this is. It is a release paper sticker book in a larger size, and this is just such a good idea. I actually have a section in my main sticker book that I keep Christmas and Halloween and all those different types. But I would much prefer to have a little book like this to keep all my Christmas stickers, and then it's really handy to lift it out because you're only using them once a year. Number 5. More. So this is gingerbread friends. So instead of actual gingerbread men, it is a cow and what else? A reindeer. It's really adorable. Oh, and again gingerbread friends, but this time it is a polar bear and a snowman. Number 6 is really heavy. It probably is a journal. Let's open it up. These scissors actually came in my advent box last year from Hubman and Shubgirl. So this is an A5 book, and it has the pattern in the background of a gingerbread roof, and then all the little gingerbread people on the front. And then inside you can see it's metallic, bronzy gold colour, and it says a dot grid bullet journal. And their bullet journals are 160 dot grid pages, 115 GSM cream paper, lay flat binding. They have a pen mark, 2 bookmark ribbons, a back pocket, and a vegan leather cover. So that is what the pages look like here. And then there's the 2 ribbons, one baby pink and one baby blue. And then the back pocket here. And then your pen loop is blue and your elastic closure is baby pink. And then number 7. Right. This is wrapping paper, and it's quite a good size. I know you can't see the whole thing, but you definitely get plenty of it. And it's quite thick. So you get one in the brown colour, one in the baby pink, and one in the green. Number 8 to number 14 are actually in the 2 side panels. So let's do them next. Number 8 is a washi geo set, a 15mm called Gingerbread Village, that has lots of gingerbread houses all in a row with gold foiling and gold foiling hearts in the middle. And then Gingerbread Friends, which is a 10mm, and it's a faux glitter effect, green, with lots of little gingerbread men all along in a row. Number 9, a little paper clip. And it has some gingerbread men and women and a cupcake and a little gingerbread house. Number 10. Yay! These are another of my favourites, along with these larger stickers. I just love them. I use them in my planner, but they're actually UV resistant and water resistant. So you can stick them on water bottles, or if you had a little mug that you wanted to make all Christmassy, you get 5 in the packet, and they're called Gingerbread Friends. So there is a gingerbread man with a little green scarf, a little gingerbread girl with her wee bows in her hair, another gingerbread man with a little blue scarf, gingerbread man dressed as Santa, and a gingerbread girl with another little bow. And this one sort of has like a dungaree dress. All really adorable. And then number 11. Oh, it's a little shaker charm. So it looks like a snow globe, and it has a little lobster clasp. And it's a gingerbread house with gingerbread people at the front, and then inside it has little snowballs. Yeah. With shake about. And something to note is actually whenever you get acrylic things from them, don't forget they have a protective layer over the top. Hold on, I'll see if I can pick this off now for you. See? So if you're thinking it looks a bit cloudy, it's not. It's because it has this over the top of it on both sides. Okay, 12. Little pin, Gingerbread Man limited edition enamel pin. And I like the fact with their pins that you get 2 of the little holders on the back. It just makes it more secure. If you want to add it to your freebie bag or your pencil case or anything, and you just pull these off. See, on the back. And then you have the 2. Isn't he really cute? Number 13. Wonder if this is another washi. Yes, it is. Oh, we got one of these last year too. Only obviously this one is the gingerbread pattern rather than last year's baking theme. It's cut out to look like little stamps. You can just use it in one roll like it's a washi, but it's called holiday stamps. And they are 25mm, these ones. And they have lots of gold metallics on it, so they're really special. You can use it if you wanted to cut them into stamps and put them on your Christmas cards, or you can just use it in your spreads, or as like I said, like one long roll. Lots of uses. And then finally number 14, and this is tags to go along with your wrapping paper that you got earlier. However, I totally would put glue on the back of these and stick them in a planner too, with a ribbon coming out the end. You don't have to use them for that, but that's what they're intended for. So let me open them up and show you them. And so you get your ribbons. It's a white and pink stripe. And then you get two of them, two of them, two of them, and two of them. And they're really thick and good quality. That's all the side drawers opened up, so let's go to the middle drawer. So this one is the one that says sugar, spice and everything stationery, and it has number 15 to 20. So number 15, oh, paper clips, and it's little gingerbread men and gingerbread men houses. So let's open them up. So that's the little gingerbread one, and then let's get a little house. Ooh, and you get 4 of the houses and 5 of the gingerbread men. Number 16. Oh, Christmas cards. So you have everything you need. You have the wrapping paper, you have a tag, and you have a card. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Oh, this one's my favourite one. Warmest wishes. So 3 to go with your wrapping paper. And this is really sturdy, thick card to go with it. You could put on your little stamp. Lovely. 17. Oh, that looks like, what do you call those things? A banner, that's the word. So you feed this little bit of string through this way, and then pull it through, and then come out this way, so that way it's at its back and it's not covering him, and you string them together so they're all in a row. Isn't that really cute? I wonder if they're all different characters. So far they are all different. Yep. Every single one of them is a different character, and you string them all up in a row. 18. Oh, cozy socks. So wishing you the coziest holidays, and it's got white and pink stripe and a little bit of holly there with the berries. They feel gorgeous. They'll be nice and cozy and warm. Right, number 19. Ooh. Little coasters. I actually have the coasters on my desk here from the other advent. It'll be nice to swap them out for Christmas, although to be honest I might put these down in my living room. So one says Merry Christmas and the other one says Jingle All the Way. They are gorgeous. I am going to put them down in my living room. And then the last one from this shelf is number 20. And when I see these, the first thing I think of is decorative planning and journaling, and actually gluing them down fully like a large sticker, but their aim is to use as sticky notes. So they have a really good stick by the feel of it. Go here like that, and you can write all your little sticky notes. This one has lines inside a frame with a house, and this one is a little gingerbread man. Right, so we're on to our last drawer. This one has 21 to 25, so let's open 21. So get a DIY treat box, and then this shows you how to build it at the back. and it's a way of storing little treats to give as a present, and you get a little pink ribbon to try it. So push it like that. I haven't read the instructions, but I'm sure it's easy enough. Push it like that. Let's see, that one, that one, that one, and in there, yep. And then, right, so then you bend this part and bend this part, bring this over to it and this over to it, and pinch so it looks like that. And you could tape it if you wanted, but you just poke the holes out and then put the ribbon through and use the ribbon to tie it together, and you've got a little gift box. Number 22. And again, I use my ruler from the Be Positive one all the time when I'm planning, but I'll switch it out at Christmas. And then again, don't forget to pull off your protective wrapping so you can see it properly. And it has a little, oh, that's so cute, a little Santa and Mrs. Claus gingerbread. 23. To-do list notepad. So the other one is a sticky note, and this one is a notepad by the looks of it. So whenever you're finished with it, you can just tear this off. It's not sticky at the back or anything. However, the same with those other sticky notes, you can just glue it into your planner directly and use it as a little decorated to-do list with all the little gingerbread friends at the bottom. 24, we're nearly the end. Oh, perfect. So this is a pencil case, brown with a little gingerbread people and snowman. And it has brown hardware here, but then this part is silver with this little pulley and a strap at the side. And the inside is actually, I don't know if you can see this, but it's divided into two sections. So there's a section down here, you move this over, there's a section down there, and then there's also a smaller section here and here, so you can divide things up really well. And then the back has windows of a gingerbread house. Last but not least, number 25. And it's another little plushie, and this time it's a little Christmas tree, and he's all squished because he was in a wee box. Look at that, that is just so cute. He'll fluff out more as he gets out of the box for longer. I really hope you enjoyed that. I know I did. I enjoyed it so much. I feel like it's Christmas Day surrounded by all this Christmassy stationery. Thank you so much for watching. I have a link below that'll take you directly to the gingerbread advent. And if you haven't used my code RuthSarah15, make sure you use it and get 15% off. But thank you so much for watching today. A huge thank you to Hubman and Chub Girl for sending this to me. I'm really honoured. And take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.